Okay, pilots, I'm gonna put me some decals on my F-14 today. I'm gonna show you what I got. Get this thing set up right. Where it won't fall. There you go. I'm gonna show it to you real close here. So what I've got here, I ordered a decal sheet for the Freewing F-15 90mm. Okay, it's got all these little small decals, just little detailed decals, and I like it. You know what I mean? So I ordered me one of these. I've ordered about 4 or 5 of them so far, maybe. Can't remember how many, but I'm gonna get close up here and let you look at this. See all them little small decals there, danger, caution, all this little stuff, all these little things here. No step, see, no push, excuse me. No steps. I want you to look at how many no steps they give you. You get an extra cockpit instrument panel. And look over here. Check this one out. Look at all these little small ones here. Stripes. And you put them on your elevators. No steps on the elevator there when it's full moving. Fuel. More caution, armament. And we got some insignias, other things. But I like it. No push. You put that on your fins of your missiles. Yeah. I'm not gonna bore you with every one of them. I'm just gonna show you what kind of order I put them and what I do. The smaller ones with the cautions and stuff like that, I like to put on missiles. The little vent screens, stuff like that, you can just pick any little place you want to, pilots. I mean, you know. I mean, if you're a historian and you know every little rivet in the jet, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Worked on it when you was in the Air Force or Navy. You know where every little thing is. I'm just an old boy from South Carolina. See F-16 fly over once in a while because they make them down there at the Boeing plant below Columbia. I'm cutting just a couple here. You look over it and you kind of find, okay, I need one for each missile. I got 2 missiles. Okay, I got 2 decals. That means I can put one of each of these decals on this missile and that one. You don't have to put it on all 4 missiles because the 4 missiles are all different. And I've already got a few things on my Phoenix missiles, but I'm going to put a couple more cautions and stuff like that. Danger. All right, that's what we're going to start with. No push. And I'm gonna put those 2 square things at the top and the 2 dangers. I'm gonna put them on I think I put them on sparrows. Put them on the outsides of the missiles so everybody can see them. Hey, put them out here where people can see them. Don't put them back here. Don't worry about that backside there. Hey. All right. I did forget one thing. Let me get me a bowl of water. cut these up into even smaller pieces. Now, one thing I try to do is I try to put them in the same spot on each missile on each side. That's what I do try to do. Now, just plain crazy, he's got a video where a guy makes Russian written decals like this. Put on your missiles, put on your jet. Now, if you got one of them Russian MiG-29s, pilots, detail your missiles up, man. Paint them something. Do something. Make it yours. Put it in the water about 5-10 seconds. Just gonna wait a little while. Let that water even puddle up on it. Let me see if I can get you closer. Now remember, my missile's upside down. So you get that corner out on the edge. I'm gonna put it right here. Down just a little bit up. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good. Okay, let's go over here on the other side. I'm about a 1/2 inch behind that black line. Okay. That's why a good reason is to have the missiles on the jet when you do this, so you'll know exactly where you put them. Because I have mixed it up there. All right, I got 2 warnings here. And then I got 1 single warning. I'm gonna save that one a little later. Just guys, it's just a warning. Small writing on it. We're gonna put that towards the rear of the missile there, back there at the exhaust. Now again, you put the no push on just a fin, you know, but make sure you put it on a fin that you can see, because you don't have a let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is 12, and we might have more than 12 fins over. So just mind you count on things. You hold that. Remember, missile's upside down. I'll put this right here. Okay. I'm about a 1/4 inch in front of that rear fin. Now let's cut us up some no push here. So since I've got 12, I can divide it up into 6 for each side. So I've got, let's see, I've got 1 fin showing good, 2 fins showing good, 3 fins showing good, 4 fins showing good. And that'll give me 2 more. Might put it here on this one, maybe. Or maybe stick it up underneath the bottom one here, the same fin on the opposite side. And here on this one. But since this one don't have one, you know, that'll be a good number. About time to eat. My stomach's telling me it's time to eat. Got one more here. Now, pilots, you ain't got a thing to worry about Freewing's decals. They'll stick. You put them in a little bit warm water, not really hot water now, not really cold water. Cold water will do it, but they just don't seem to do as well. Just let your water run there a little bit. When it gets just warm enough for your skin until it's warm, there you go. Okay. Let's wait here just a second. Pilots, it's like 75 degrees outside, slight wind blowing. Heck, I opened the windows up. I was supposed to work, but the boss man called me and told me don't worry about it. He didn't feel like coming in. Okay, I got 2 more, so I'm just gonna kind of put these where you can see them good. Let's see. Let's wait a minute here. Let's put this one here. That looks good to me. It's here and there, here and there. Let's see what else we can do. Let's get some black writing on one of them. A couple cautions there, couple warnings. Save the mother no push from other side. I'm looking on my sheet here, so I need 2 warnings, 2 cautions. Got them right here. Get them cautions off there. I just seen a video on one of these F-14s. The guy had a opening canopy, had the ladders on the side of it where he could fold them up back up into the fuselage. The hook worked, air brake. What else? Oh, this is what I commented into about. I said, man, you gotta tell me how you do them lit up instrument panels. And he hadn't commented me back yet. But I think he did subscribe because I got a subscriber not long after that. Okay. Let's put this black writing caution where there's a red writing warning. How about, what do you think about that? Let's put it up here, closer to the middle fins. I'm going to put a warning up here at the front of the missile, close to the middle fin. Nice. All right, we're going to go over here, spare up. Let's see. Yep, both of them's upside down. Upside down. That's correct. You're correct, sir. Caution's in the rear. Caution in the rear, could get a gas attack. I use that little split in the missile there as kind of a line up. I'm going to put these other 2 or 4 on my sidewinders. And then I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you take a look at them, and then I got to get busy. I know I got 100 here. Now I'm going to say some now on sides, like on the side of the fuselage. Let me show you this right here. Now you're gonna have all these rescue stuff now. See all these yellow rescues, and you got other things, ejection. See the ejection? Well, you don't have to use that ejection on this jet then. Wait till you get one that don't have anything like that on. Save them decals, you know? We're gonna take a look at these missiles here in just a second. We got to get some red on our sidewinder. We only got some black here. Let's put this one. Let's put that one right dead center there, because we got to put a red one there. About a 1/4 inch in front of that rear black line. I'm upside down. Okay. It's correct. I'm upside down. Put this one right here. see, wait a minute. Yep, we're gonna get close to that black line because I'm gonna put a couple small red ones in front of these and behind the one in the rear. Pilots, they got that. Oh, drop one. What is it? March Mania on MotionRC, customizing your jets and stuff, sending in pictures. Well, I might could do that, pilots, but man, they send me them on there. It's so much better than 90% of my jets. That 10% or 1 or 2 that I might enter might get close. All right, let's see. Let's find something red. I need something red. Here we go. Okay, just got a couple things written in red there, warning. I'm gonna put them, I think I'm gonna put that just dead center of that sparrow. Heat seeking sidewinder. And I'm gonna, let's see here. I know the F-14 has a fuel stem that pops up out of it, but I might put that fuel decal on it. And then there's a couple there that I can put on them Phoenixes. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put that nice big one right there for the rudder, the elevator. I'm gonna put that on there. Armament, I might look on there. Yeah, it's got armament, I can save an armament. I put these on the wing tips. They just all kind of stuff on their pots. I'm gonna put my Iraqi kills on it. Look at there. He's got 3 kills. He's almost there. So let me put these 2 on. I think that decal sheet pots was $12. And of course, when you order stuff from MotionRC, you always got to add that $5 unless you want to upgrade your shipping. Let's see here. I gotta turn way off. Way off. Okay, there we go. So I ordered. I'll show you right quick what I ordered. What my expectations are. Let's see here. That way. Of a few more projects. I've got all my winter projects caught up except for I've got to put my order of fiery booties in this jet, my SU-27, my MiG-29. And then I've got, depending on what happens, I've got an F-35 supposedly coming from Winning on Farmer Man's channel back in Christmas. I'm gonna be getting an F-35, I hope soon. So I'll be saving some of the decals for that jet. Is this what you're looking at, Pops? check it out. What's up? Look at the no step, no push up there. I'll be looking at it from like so. Look at it. tell me that don't make your missiles look better. And then plus you'll have more on your jets, fuselage and wings. And of course I'll have mine on the elevator. But look on Just Plain Crazy if you want to check out them Russian decals. You have to look back in his videos there, but you'll find it. There's my F-14 so far. Let me flip it over and lay it on the ground because I want you to see my pilots. I painted the pilots' helmets yellow. Hope I don't touch none of them decals. I scarred the top of my fuselage up working on getting the receiver and gyro in it, and I scarred the top of it up a little bit. Here's them out. They got their yellow helmets on. That's the Jolly Rogers birds. Okay, pilots. I hope you're having a good weather and good weekend. I'm out.